Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to learn how to sand and polish this bronze sheet to a mirror finish. The first thing we're going to do is take some of our LumaCut, place it in our spray bottle, and then we're just going to mist all over this bronze sheet. Now that we have that taken care of, it is time to sand. So we're going to take our 220 grit sandpaper, we're going to place it on our hookit pad, spray it with a little bit of LumaCut, and then we're going to begin sanding. The key to sanding is to take your time and not to spend too much time in any spot or area, or you'll create divots in the metal. Once you've made sure you got all the scratches and oxidation out, we can finally move to our next sanding step. Now that we are done with the 220 grit sandpaper, it's time to move up to our 400 grit sandpaper. And just like the 220, we're just going to place it on our hookit pad, spray a little bit of LumaCut, and then we're going to begin sanding. Now we're going to take another 400 grit sandpaper and place it on our interface pad and try to smooth out some of these lines. So just like before, we're going to take an 800 grit sandpaper, place it on our interface pad, place it on our hookit pad, then we're going to go back over this bronze sheet. Now we are ready for our 1500 grit sandpaper. And just like our 800 grit sandpaper before it, we're just going to stick it on our interface pad and then begin sanding. Now finally, we are at our second to last sanding step. So I'm going to take my 3000 grit Trizac foam finishing pad, place it on our hookit pad, spray with a lot of LumaCut, and then we're going to begin sanding. And now finally, we are at our last sanding step. So we're going to take our 5000 grit Trizac foam finishing pad, place it on our hookit pad, spray a lot of LumaCut, and begin sanding. Now that we have the sanding taken care of, it is time to polish. So we're going to take our Meiger's polishing pad, and we're just going to place it on the hookit pad. We're going to take some of our Gord's aluminum polish, going to place it on our steel wool, and then we're going to rub the polish into the bronze sheet, and then we're going to begin polishing. The key to buffing is to barely hold the trigger down on our drill and slowly work in this polish until it is a mere shine. Now that we're all done with the buffing, we're going to take one of our Scott Blue shop towels. We're going to wipe all over this bronze sheet for any spare polish we might have missed while we're buffing. Wow, that turned out really nice and shiny. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.